The project was started in the month of September, sometime August, September. And this project is related to the supply of IBM hardware, IBM infrastructure that includes AIX servers, the Power 9 servers, and the operating system that Linux, IBM Linux, and a few softwares which was related to upgrade our existing ERP on a new version, and storage. Of course, that was the part of the supply, standard supply. And this project was initially thought of that we will be upgrading our existing system, existing ERP, which was running on Solaris, Sun Solaris, and we wanted to move it to the AIX because the performance of Solaris was not that high, and then the support was also not available because the Solaris is going out of the market, and then we already had AIX in place. So we procured Power 9 servers, we procured AIX along with, we also procured some servers along with the Linux, IBM Linux, and started the ERP upgrade. We are using Oracle ERP, and we upgraded it to the new version. And not the only ERP upgrade, it was also related to upgrade of the database, existing database. So this was the project which IBM had signed, and we completed good quality of work. And I can say yes, we went live in the month of December. IBM work, what they have delivered, has helped us by improving our supply chain and improving our production information system also. What it has provided, a better thing they have provided is that ECC, there is a part of ECC. ECC is an Enterprise Command Center, where we have online ERP integrated dashboards which help our supply chain people and logistic people to see like what all pending orders are there, what is the urgent order which needs to supply, what is the stock position, what is the order position. All those things are coming and getting it to our logistic people, by which they are dispatching the product on time to our customers, and customers is really happy because of getting all such kind of thing delivered on time at their doorstep. What they are going to get is, and what they are getting it, because we have gone live in the month of December, and now it's only 2 months it has passed, and we can see that the productivity of the people who are working on this system has increased, and they are claiming that yes, now we have the visibility, now we don't have to run the reports to get the visibility on dashboards. Yes, because during those days, because initial period, we were really, everyone was they were not very clear like what is going to happen. Every day the new guidelines were coming from the government side that this lockdown is going to increase, you don't have to go out, a lot of things were coming out. And then things improved after, say, you can say a month of April, when we thought that 2 months has gone, and now we have to really get into at least onto the communication side. If the production is not started, even at least we can plan, we can go for the planning side, we can go for a lot of other things, we can do that things, and for which we had provided a very like using VDI, the virtual desktop infrastructure, you can say that thing, which is running again on IBM infrastructure. That people were started accessing their data, their information, their reports, their system, the internets by sitting at home, because we are there in plant. Our data center is on premises itself, and our plant and residentials are not very far. So, and the planning part, because this is what the IBM project had started planning during those periods itself, and we started planning by interacting on this kind of video calls. And yes, we could plan, and then we could get into an engagement so to get the things delivered on time, and I can say it has been delivered well before time. any IT system or any IT solution is really it's give you intangible benefit. So if I say no, some percentage of revenue has been increased because of this reason, or we have added value into the bottom line of the revenue by this percentage, that will not true. So I cannot claim that the number of percentage or number of the percentage figure as of now that yes, this percentage of figure has been given up. We could have achieved we have achieved because of this reason. So it's not a good part for me that I can claim that thing. But yes, there's a totally joint effort by various team, by various functional department stakeholders. Yes, we can see that you can see that the revenue and the profitability of Sri Cement has gone from X to X plus Y. It has gone double. And this, I can also say that IT system has also provided value-added services to get this kind of, to achieve this kind of profitability into the company. Yes, we have lot many other things are there which we want to upgrade by this kind of collaboration. Like this is the one area where we have tried implementing AI, and there might be a lot of other area which is not, we could not visualize though from our side. There are area which might have left out from our eyes. This collaboration, we had asked IBM to collaborate with us to identify those area which can be automated by using a lot of these kind of new technology, and to reduce the overheads, and by implementing this AI ML or new technology which is being provided by IBM, of course it is going to help us to get such kind of deliverables. And we are in discussion with IBM team to identify those area, and how IBM will be helping us. That is also part of our discussion. It is still under discussion. I was coming on that point because we are again interacting with IBM, and this time also we are interacting with EY, but things have not yet been planned, like who will be the partner whom we will select for this kind of implementation or initiatives. But yes, we'll prefer going with IBM because IBM has understood our entire working procedure and the workflow and the system and the people. So they have understood us. We have gone for very basic level of data security or information security, you can say that thing, because we have those firewall things are there in place. A lot of other solutions are there in place, but one cannot claim that yes, things, because once you have those security people and the security devices in your infrastructure or in your infrastructure mapping, you are secure, because the bigger giants are getting hacked and they are getting ransom attack that way. We can say as of now we are very secure. We have not seen any or we have not observed any such kind of attack, not DDoS or not such kind of thing. But yes, we are in a procedure where in a process where we will be identifying what kind of tools we require to provide a very good quantity of very good quality of data security, like implementing DLP, implementing APM, application performance management, and deploying the NAC solutions. System. See, if I talk about the production line, or if I talk about the manufacturing sector in our kind of organization, where a lot of areas are there where we should and we will be applying this AI and ML kind of thing. One of them is predictive plant maintenance, where analyzing those data, putting various kind of sensors in plant, we can reduce the downtime of plant maintenance, or because of going for predictive plant maintenance. So we can identify like which bearing or what kind of tools are going to fail in near future. Before getting it failed, we can replace by the competitive technologies or the similar kind of things. So these kind of uh, things will, of course, they are going to help us in near future. Apart from that, like I can also we can say that yeah, the VR, the virtual reality, we can also plan virtual reality for our training purpose. Like people who are joining the IIT, people are joining here, so they have never seen that thing. What kind of plants are there? So we can create such kind of VR system for their induction, so that sitting at one place, they can visualize the entire plant, entire production processes. So these technologies are there, which we are planning to use. Apart from that, we are also planning to use these AI, ML, and things are like for our peripheral security by putting video analytics to reduce the intrusion, and these are all related to physical security, where we are also we can reduce we need to apply it for the safety purpose.